Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number in PayPal. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply, all you need to do now is just to log in to your PayPal account or either from the web app or the mobile app. And of course, you will need just to go to the settings so you can add a new phone number or even change the primary phone number that you will have. And simply we can do that by just clicking on login in case you are using PayPal on the web and that you have signed out or whatever. So let's just log in into the account, and from here we will be needing just to add in our credentials. And basically now all we need to do is to go to the settings, and here in my web app I will find the settings here on this menu. Otherwise, if you are using the mobile app, you will probably find the bottom menu, and then you can go access to your account, or you can click on the profile picture that will be on the corner somewhere, and then you can go to the settings. So from here, we will need just to go to the account settings and basically these ones. And from here, we will find the phone numbers section. And as you can see, either you can change your primary phone number or you can add a new number and make it as primary, also whatever you like. So basically, PayPal gives you full control on your phone numbers and emails, etc. So we can click on add, and basically from there, you can add a new phone number. And let's just wait for a while. And basically, you can also change the phone number by clicking on change. It seems that there was some lag. And now let's click on the change phone number. So we click on change. And basically from here, you can see your current primary mobile. And to change your primary, of course, you will need to have to add a new one. So you can add this one, a new number that can be whatever you like, and mobile, etc. You click on add phone number, and then you will have a message that will be sent to you to verify your number, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.